Hello, welcome to the class of Mathematics Standard 10th, chapter number 11, Construction, sum number 1. Draw the line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it into the ratio 5.8. Now we can start the answer. First of all, we have to draw 7.6 centimeter AB. For this, we have to draw 7.6 meter into our with the help of scale. Now we have to draw two acute angle AX and BY. These both are acute angle. Now take arbitrary radius, which means 1 centimeter radius. Draw an arc with the help of protractor A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Same way, the same radius, 1 centimeter radius, we have to draw B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. Draw an arc such that AA1 is equal to A1A2 is equal to A2A3 is equal to A3A4 is equal to A4A5 is equal to B1B2 is equal to B2B3 is equal to B3B4 is equal to B4B5 is equal to B5B6 is equal to B6B7 is equal to B7B8. Now we have to divide this ratio into 5:8. Therefore we have to select A5 and B8 and join it with the scale like this. Now measure AC and BC. Now AC is equal to 2.9 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.7 centimeter. So our AC is equal to 2.9 and BC is equal to 4.7, and this we have to divide this line segment into 5:8. Now construction number 1 is sum 2. Construct a triangle of a side 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm and then triangle similar to whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. Now question number 2. Construct a triangle of side 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding side of first triangle. First of all, we have to draw line segment BC with 6 cm. Here we have to draw line segment BC of 6 cm. Then we have to draw B is acute angle and draw ray BX. So give the name BX. Now take arbitrary radius and draw the B1, B2 and B3 arc on ray BX. See that when we draw the arc B1 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to B2 B3. Now we have to divide the ratio 2/3. So from B2 we have to draw an arc. Now take an arbitrary radius, draw an arc like this, and then we have to draw a line segment which touch BC here. So give the name C dash. Give the name C dash. Now draw parallel line B3C which intersect BC at C. Now through C dash we have to draw the parallel line of C dash A. C dash A dash intersecting AB by A dash and constructing angle BC dash A dash is equal to angle BB to C dash. So for that we have to take the arbitrary radius which we take same as here. So to construct an angle like this, and then we can take the same radius which the angle B dash made and draw here like this. Now from that we have to draw C dash A dash. Same way we have to construct CA. From that we have to take the radius of this, construct an arc here Now we have to take again radius this. Now we have to join AC. AC is equal to 5 centimeter. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. So triangle A'BC' is the required triangle similar to ABC, and its sides are 2/3 of corresponding side of ABC. Now construct a triangle with 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and then another triangle whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding side of the first triangle. Now answer number 3. First of all, we have to construct triangle ABC with side AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So we have to take the base. Base is equal to BC. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So we have to draw 7 centimeter line segment. Give the name BC. Now we have to draw acute angle B. Draw BX ray. Give the name BX. Now we have to take 1 centimeter of radius and draw an arc of B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7 on ray BX. Now we have to construct 7/5 ratio of triangle similar to the ABC. So first of all, we have to take B5 and draw an arc. Take an arbitrary radius, draw an arc with this. Now draw B5C. Now from B7, draw a parallel line B7C dash which are parallel to B5C. For that we have to take an arbitrary radius, same radius of this. Draw an arc of B7 from that. Again we have to take the arc which angle B5, and then we have to draw like this. Now we have to draw B7C dash which are exactly parallel to B5C, B7C dash. Now we are taking 5 centimeter of radius, center at B, draw an arc on here. Now take 6 centimeter of radius, center at C, draw an arc, intersecting point is A. Now join AB and AC. Now through C dash we have to draw a parallel line to CA which are intersect BA at A dash by constructing angle BC dash A dash is equal to angle BCA. So for that we have to take an arbitrary radius, draw an arc here. Now take an radius like this, draw an arc, then same radius like this. We have to select this arc and draw an arc. Now join C dash to BY. Give the name here A dash. So our triangle A dash BC dash is the required triangle similar to triangle ABC, and its sides are 7/5 of corresponding side of triangle ABC. Construction number 3. Sum 4. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm, altitude is 4 cm, and then another triangle whose side is 1 integer 1/2 times of corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Now answer number 4. First of all, we have to construct triangle ABC with base 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. Now for this we have to take BC line segment with a radius 8 centimeter. Now we have to do a perpendicular bisector of BC. Take an arbitrary radius, center at B, draw an arc here. Now take same radius and center at C, draw an arc here. Now take 4 centimeter of radius on a scale and now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. Give the name A dash. Now we have to take 4 centimeter of radius on a scale and center at the M and draw an arc here. Give the name A. Now we have to draw triangle ABC with BC is equal to 8 centimeter and AM is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we have to construct BX. Angle B is equal to acute angle and draw BX ray such that angle B is equal to acute angle. Now take an arbitrary radius, draw an arc on BX ray, give the name B1, then say center at B1, give the name B2 and then B3 such that B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. Now join B2C. Now from B3, construct a parallel line which are parallel to B2C. For that we have to take an arbitrary radius from B3 and draw an arc on that way. Now see that we have to take the angle of this and construct here. Now we are drawing B3C dash. Here we are writing C dash such that angle B3C dash is equal to B2C. Now from C dash we have to draw a parallel line which are parallel to AC. We have to draw C dash A dash. For that we have to take an arbitrary, draw an angle same like a C. Now join C dash A dash. Join C dash A dash. Then our triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle similar to ABC and its sides are one integer 1/2 times of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. Our construction number 4 is. Now question number 5. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm, angle ABC is equal to 60. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of corresponding side of triangle ABC. Now answer number 5. For that we have to construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm and angle B is equal to 60 cm. For that first of all we have to draw the base. Base BC is equal to 6 cm. So with the help of scale we have to draw BC line segment which are 6 cm. Now we have to construct angle B is equal to 60 degrees Celsius. For that we have to take an arbitrary radius and draw an arc like this. Now center at the arc which are intersect BC, draw an arc here. Now this is our 60 degree angle. So now we have to draw BY ray. Give the name Y. So BY ray such that angle B is equal to 60 degree. Now take 5 cm of radius on a scale. Center at B, draw an arc on BY such that AB is equal to 5 cm. Give the name A. Now join BAC. Join AC. So our triangle ABC is drawn. Now we have to draw angle B, acute angle. Angle B is equal to acute angle. Draw ray BX. Now take an arbitrary radius, center at B, draw an arc on BX ray B1. Now center at B1, draw an arc B2, draw center at B, B3 and B4 such that B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3 is equal to B2, B3, B4. Through B3, draw a line parallel to B4C. Intersect BC at C dash and construct angle BB3C dash is equal to BB4C. First of all, we have to draw B4C. So join B4C. Now we have to construct the angle. Take an arbitrary radius, center at B3, take an arc. Now same way we have to draw like this. Now we have to take the measure of B4 angle. Now here we have to construct same angle which we are made in B4. Now we have to join B3 from C dash. Give the name here C dash. Now we have to construct angle C dash such as angle C dash is equal to C. For that we can take arbitrary radius, center at C dash. Draw an arc like this. Now we have to measure angle C. Same way we have to draw the center at the arc. Draw an arc here. Now we have to join C dash A dash. C dash A dash, which are parallel to AC. A dash C dash is parallel to AC and B3 C dash is parallel to B4 C. Then triangle A dash B C dash is a required triangle similar to triangle ABC and its sides are 3/4 of corresponding side of ABC. Our construction number 5 is over. Exercise number 11.2. Sum number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from the point 10 cm away from its center. Contract the pair of tangent to the circle and measure it. Now, exercise 11.2, question number 1. First of all, we have to draw a circle with a center O and radius is equal to 6 cm. So, center at O, radius is equal to 6 cm. Now, draw a circle of 6 cm. So, radius is equal to 6 cm. Now, take a point P out of the circle and distance is equal to 10 cm. So first of all we have to take P as a point which are out of the circles and then length of the OP is equal to 10 cm. Now draw like this a line segment which are 10 cm away from them. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of OP. So for that we have to take an arbitrary radius on a protractor, send it at O, draw an arc above and below. Now same way, draw center at P, draw an arc above and below. Now see that both arc are intersecting at one point. So join a perpendicular bisector of them and join the perpendicular bisector. Give the name M. M is the midpoint of OP. Now center at M. Take an radius of OM. Draw a circle with a radius OM. And see that here two circles are intersecting at here point. Give the name Q. Same way two circles are intersecting at one point. Give the name of R. Now join OQ and OR and measure the length of OR which are 6 cm. Then again draw PQ and then PR and measure it. How many centimeters are there? PQ is equal to 8 cm and PR is equal to also 8 cm. So PQ and PR are required tangent to a circle which center O from P. The length of each of these tangent is 8 cm. Therefore PQ is equal to PR is equal to 8 cm. Construction number 1 is sum 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from the point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now answer number 2. Draw two concentric circle with radius 4 cm and 6 cm with center O. So first of all we have to draw the 4 cm radius. Take 4 cm radius and draw a circle with center O. So take center O, draw a circle with 4 cm of radius. Now we have to draw the circle with 4 cm. Now same center, and now we have to change the radius with 6 cm. Now take 6 cm radius, I draw a circle with center O. Now take P as a point on outside which are intersect O, 6. So we have to draw OP with 6 cm. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. So take an arbitrary radius, center at O, draw an arc above and below. Same way, same radius, center at P, draw an perpendicular arc above and AB. Now join the arcs. We have to join the arcs. Now perpendicular bisector is intersecting OP at M. M is the midpoint of OP. Now take OM as a radius. Now center at M, draw a circle which are intersecting O and P. Now give the name here Q and R. Now join OQ, PQ and PR. Now we are measuring POQ 4 cm. Now PQ is equal to also 4 cm and same way PR is equal to also 4 cm. Now PQ and PR are the required tangent from P on the bigger circle to the smaller circle. The length of each of these tangent is 4.5 cm. Now we have to see that measure angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So OP is the hypotenuse. So OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square. So 6 square is equal to 4 square plus PQ square. So 6 square minus 4 square is equal to 36 square minus 16 is equal to 20. So OP is equal to root 20. Our question number 2 is O. Sum 3. Draw a circle with radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on its extended diameter, each at the distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw a tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Now answer number 3. First of all we have to draw the circle with center O and radius 3 cm. So radius is equal to 3 cm and draw the circle with center O like this. Now take a P and Q point which are away exterior of center O with center, and we have to draw exterior point of P and Q with 7 cm of radius. So we have to take 0 to 7 cm, draw line segment OP. Same way we have to take Q point away from the 7 cm and write OQ line segment with 7 cm. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP and OQ respectively. So first of all we have to center at O, take an arbitrary radius arc at here and below. Same way center at P, draw an arc above and below. Now join the arcs which are intersect OP at a midpoint M. Now same way center at O, draw an arc upside and below. Same way center at Q, Draw an arc upside and below. This is the perpendicular bisector of OQ. Now join the arcs which intersect OQ at N. Now take a radius of OM. Now take a radius of OM. Center at M and draw the circle. Same way, take the radius of ON, center at N, draw a circle. Now we have to draw center at O circle, center at M circle and center at N circle. Now here intersecting point is A and here we have to give the intersecting point B. Now see here intersecting point is C and intersecting point at D. Now we have to draw OA, OB, OC and OD. Then we draw QC tangent and QD tangent. Same way we have to draw PA tangent and PB tangent. Hence we prove that QC and QD are the required tangent from Q with the circle center O. Our construction number 3. Sum 4. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each at the angle of 60 degrees Celsius. And radius is equal to 5 cm. So we have to take 5 cm of radius and then center at O. Draw a circle with a 5 cm. Now we have to draw radius OA with 5 cm. Now we have to construct OAP which are 120 degree. So take an arbitrary radius, center at O. Then we have to take the center. Then here we have to draw the arc. Same way we have to construct here. So now we have to draw OAP is equal to 120 degree. Draw an arc here. Now put here B. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB respectively. So first of all take an arbitrary radius of OA. Take an arc here. Now center at O. Take an arc here. Same way perpendicular bisector of OB. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OB. Then we have to draw one arc. Now take an arc, center at this. Now we have to draw center at this. See here this and this. Now take an arc same and draw an arc here. Same way draw an arc here. Now join both arc with now AC and AB intersecting point is C. Now CA and CB are the required tangent which are included to each other at the angle of 60 degree. Construction number 4 is Sum 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm, taking A as a center. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center. Draw another circle from the radius 3 cm. Construct an angle to each circle from the center of the circle. 8 cm of length. So here 8 cm radius we have to draw line segment AB. Now take 4 centimeter of radius on your protector. Now give the name A and B. Now we have to center at B. Draw center at A. Draw a circle with 4 centimeter of radius. See here. Now take 3 centimeter of radius on a protector. Center at B. Draw an arc circle. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. So we take an arbitrary radius on a protector, center at A, draw an arc above and below. Same way, center at B, draw an arc above and below. Now join intersecting point. So M intersecting AB at a midpoint. Now take the radius of AM. Now center at M. Draw a circle with center M. Now we are drawing 3 circles. Now center with B and center with M. Intersecting point is here R, S, and here is a center with A and center with M. Intersecting point is P and Q. Now we have to join AP and AQ, and also we have to join BR and BS, and we have to join AR, tangent, and tangent AS. Again with center B we have to draw tangent BP and tangent BQ. Thus AR and AS are the required tangent from point A to the circle with center B, and BP and BQ are the required tangent from point B to the circle with center A. Now our construction number 5 is over.